Hi friends, welcome to my video. My name's Cheyenne. For those of you who don't know me, I'm pretty positive that everybody watching this does know me. But I just wanted to sit down and film a room tour for you guys. I love decorating, I love thrifting, and I love putting things together. And I just wanted to share my space with you. I recently just moved back home, so I had the chance to redo my old bedroom. And I really love how it's come out. It's nowhere near done or where I want it to be, but I'll probably do it forever. And so I wanted to share that with you. Yeah, let's get into my room tour. So when you walk into my room, to the left, you see the back of my door. I have all my bags hung up. Not really cute, it's fine. And then over here, I like to put those are a bunch of my scarves and like headbands, and there's a beanie in there, stuff like that. I actually don't know what those things are called. I looked for one thrifting for so long and I couldn't find it until finally at Bookman's. There it was for $6, so I found that crossy thing. And then one of my best friends, Justine, made me this in like 5 minutes, and it's literally one of my favorite things in my whole room. It just says positive things. I'm secure, I'm forgiven, I'm holy and blameless, I'm loved, I'm made completely. All of these beautiful things, so I love that. And then we'll see my little featured basket wall here. So this is just a conglomeration of thrift finds at different places like Goodwill, stuff like that. I found one of these. This vase, I found it at Goodwill, I think. And then Justine also made me this. It says, "Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air." It's a poem by Emerson. She is so beautiful in her handwriting, and I love everything she does. She gave me that as a gift for my office one year. And then one of my good friends, Melissa, got me this cute giraffe. It's a planter, but I didn't put anything in it yet, so we'll see. I also went on one of the hardest hikes of my life in Tucson. It's called Mount Wrightson. One of my good friends, Kelly, took me there, and I found this up there about 2 years ago now. And we went with a bunch of friends. It was so fun. And then over here in this basket, another Goodwill find. I love just desert boho theme, so I just set that guy in there. It has a little Mexican woman painted on it and some cactus. I love it, and just a little faux greenery. So yes, that's beautiful. And then down here, hey there, you'll see this little poem. It says, "Your word is written on my heart and I will pursue you." And that was from one of my chapels in the Edge when I did worship there. It was one of the little prophetic songs I came up with. And you'll see just some greenery over here, a nice thrifted mirror. I believe I got that for like $4 at a Goodwill. I have an essential oil diffuser back here, and then a little poem I wrote about dried flowers. You can find it on my Instagram. I just typed that up with my typewriter. And yeah, just a little tray for trinkets and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. Some coins I put up there. Some more dried flowers, my jewelry on this little tree. My friend Justine actually got me this tree as well, and she wrote a verse on it. Love her. I have a little cactus ring holder. If you know me, you'll know I love cactus. And then over here, you'll see some earrings. So I've been making some clay earrings, just playing around, seeing if I want to sell them or whatever. I don't know yet, but it's just really fun. I love to just make things and craft. Some watercolor stuff I painted, and then these are my hats I have on display. The lighting, come on. That one up there, it's like a dark navy, and then I found those both, or that one, the top one is from Target. Come on, brighten up, there we go. The top guy's from Target, and then this one was from Goodwill. It was like $1. And over here, you'll see I have some jewels hanging up. I literally just put them up with push pins because I'm lazy. And yeah, some necklaces, and some more little paintings. And that's the typewriter. Justine got it for me for my birthday. She's incredible. This whole room is just stuff Justine gives me because she's the most artistic, beautiful woman I know. And so she also, speaking of Justine, painted this for me. It's a digital art of me as a mermaid. If you look really closely, you'll see my tattoos are on there, so it's really fun. something we talked about from so long ago when I was little. And my aunt, she painted that up there. I love it. It's a gorgeous sky with the house. I can't even believe she painted that. She's an incredible artist. I'll tag her on Instagram below. And I found that other piece of art. Sorry, I'm not a cinematographer at all, but I'm just gonna show you. I saw that at this shop downtown. It's called The Book Stop. It's a thrifted and consigned bookshop with just little things, and she has prints in there. They're amazing. And I found that frame at Goodwill for like $1, I believe. And I love that little desert print. Then we'll see more hats over there. I made that headband for this thing we had called Tribors. That other hat is from Target as well. So my bed is kind of a mess. I really do want to get a new bedspread. I'm thinking of getting like a burnt orange color, but I'm not sure. Now that my room is so white, I like the white too. So let me know what you think, if I should get a white one that's better. This is just like from Kohl's, or get a burnt orange one and fulfill my anthropology dreams. So I just have some pillows on there. One of my best friend's moms actually got me that. We used to be roommates and we have matching ones that say I love naps, which is true. We do love naps. And I found this cow picture at Target. Everybody has it, but I love it. My sister or my mom or my grandma, one of them got it for me for my birthday, which I love. It's so beautiful. And those cool pieces up there are from one of the pastors at my church. They gave me that dresser I showed you earlier, and they wanted to get rid of those as well. So I really love those. They're like wooden textured art pieces, really pretty. And then we come over to the wall. You'll see 2 frames with some pictures of me and my friends and my family. And then we have this gorgeous hanging plant, which actually the pot for it, the basket, I got at a Goodwill for literally like $2. And then I just bought these at Hobby Lobby. They have their half off sale on like everything. So if you ever want to get fake plants or something that look really good, wait till Hobby Lobby has half off. They're little bushels. I believe there's 3 in there, and they were like $7 a piece, and it's gorgeous greenery, which greenery can get so expensive. And I love that I can just take them out if I want to use them for a party or anything like that. I love to throw parties, so I can use that. Then we'll come to one of my favorite corners of my room. I have a little plant at the bottom there, and this amazing mirror from Target. Hi there. This mirror I got for my birthday along with that other stuff, so it's really cute. It's a full-length mirror. Love it. Their little outfit on the day. And then we have over here a basket. I got it Goodwill, I believe. It has like this pretty floral design. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it has like a nice little lavender tint. And then these flowers, one of my best friends, Zoe, they're from her wedding. I was a bridesmaid in her wedding, so that's the little bouquet. I love hanging dried flowers and reusing them as decor. They last forever if you take good care of them, so love that. And then I have this little Southwest, some coyotes with the sun. Just fun little art piece. Now this bookshelf is nowhere near where I want it to be, but I'm gonna show you. I keep the camera up there. That's where that empty space is. You can see the lens cap on it. And this shelf, it's a big wicker shelf. It's probably about 8 feet tall. I don't know how tall doors are, but it's as tall as the door. And I got it at a Goodwill on my birthday. It was originally $40, and Emily and I talked the guy down to $20, and he just did it, and it was awesome. And I didn't even know you could do that at Goodwill. So fun fact, if you really want something, just ask if you can lower the price, and they probably will. Moving on to the decor over here, so you'll just see some more dried flowers. Those sunflowers are from my sister's wedding, which was like 5 or 6 years ago, and so that's crazy. They still last and they're upheld really well. And then you'll see a picture of my brother and I when I'm a little baby. I got that frame at an Earthbound on clearance for I think like $8. And then we have this beautiful amber glass bottle. It's really big. And I just put some dried flowers in there. I love the way that turned out. It looks really good. And here's some old books. My mom actually will pick them up for me when she's out thrifting as well. And this is my prayer shawl from my Edge graduation. That's definitely the best styled shelf on this bookshelf, but we're just gonna keep on moving. So just a pot I got at a Goodwill, and one of my best friends, Vanessa, got me this for my birthday. It says it's the little things. And then there's some perfume bottles that were my grandma's, and a little pendant. And I love this elephant ring holder. It's from Earthbound as well. And those pearls were my mom's. So just some fun stuff. And then I have all my notebooks down there. Those are all filled. And then these are just all my books. And so I have another little book set up. I keep a lot of jewelry in here, which is fun. And yeah, love it. Alright friends, that's basically it for my room tour. I love the way it's coming together. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing is about my setup, and if you have any questions about where I got something or how I had an idea for it, let me know. I'm so excited to keep doing videos like this, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.